The first day of Sanskar Public School after summer vacation was celebrated in the esteemed presence of Chairman Shri Sudhakarji Chavan and the parents with a grand function. Along with Chairman Shri Sudhakarji Chavan, heads of all our other school sections were also present, and they were all felicitated by teacher of Sanskar Public School. Initiating the function, Chairman Shri Sudhakarji Chavan performed the puja of Goddess Saraswati in the company of all heads and lighted the lamp as a mark of reopening of the school. Mrs. Suvarna Datta, music teacher of Sanskar Public School, rendered Patna invocating the goddess. It was followed by school prayer by Mrs. Nikita Poddar.
या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती
and move my heart that I may love you above all things and my neighbors for your sake. Help me that I may never in my thoughts, words or deeds offend against your holy love.
Another teacher, Ms. Pooja Datta, conducted the national pledge, which was taken by everyone present in the assembly.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Mrs. Shanti Rajgopalan read out a thought expressing importance of saving environment, which was supported by other teachers singing a song related with nature and love for nature.
There's a small thought on this line. I quote, when all the animals of the forests are hunted and when all the waters of the universe are polluted and when all the air is unsafe to breathe, then will we realize that man cannot eat money. A thoughtful thought saying that man's survival is dependent on nature, and without protecting nature, man cannot survive for long.
तेरी है कृपा
Pooja Singh, our Hindi teacher, expressed her views on importance of preserving natural resources and read out a poem with the slogan Reduce, Reuse, Recycle.
आपका और हमारा, हम सभी का ये फर्ज बनता है पर्यावरण में स्थित सभी घटक, चाहे वो जल हो, चाहे वो वायु हो, चाहे वो वृक्ष हो, या फिर यहाँ का जो प्रदूषण चल रहा है, जो प्रदूषण बढ़ रहा है, सभी को हमें टालना है। वायु को शुद्ध करना है, जल का कम से कम उपयोग करना है, निजी वाहनों का कम से कम उपयोग करके प्रदूषण को टालना है। अतः आपसे अंत में मैं वृक्ष की एक आत्मकथा कहकर अपने शब्दों को विराम देना चाहूंगी। जो हम वृक्ष को नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं उससे संबंधित एक वृक्ष कहता है, फल तो वैसे भी देता हूँ, अपने लिए कहाँ रखता हूँ, थोड़ा सोचो और विचारो, मुझको पत्थर से मत मारो, मुझको पत्थर से मत मारो। धन्यवाद।
Principal Mrs. Beena Nandi gave details of the curriculum followed by the school. She also announced that our institution has bagged first prize for Go Green Award in the school category contest organized by Thane Municipal Corporation.
This institution is built by a great visionary among us, Shri Sudhakar Chavan, the President, only with the noble aim of providing quality education to the toddlers and youth. He has imagined of building up each and every nook of the school as thinking free, from where children will always get some knowledge for their life. We in this esteemed institution believe in practical knowledge and give more stress on culture. This is amply seen in our culture, and I once again request all the parents and the children and the staff here to give a big round of applause to our management and the person here for winning the Go Green Prize by Thane Trust and Times of India. The prize is placed over here. This was the first time our school had participated in this competition and we had won the first time itself. The concept Learn with Nature is the brainchild of Shri Sudhakar Chavanji and our other heads of the institution. This concept is also incorporated in our learning process. School is an institution where child comes to gain experience which will lead them to have more knowledge about their surroundings. These are the formative years of a child. These years we hone one's different skills and talents and to actualize their dreams we have a team of well-qualified guides and philosophers who has taken upon an uphill task of overcoming all the difficulties to impart best education to them and make their learning process more enjoyable. They should go out saying that they have celebrated each and every day of their school in their life and not just learn.